and today I'm back with another video, but I'm on the floor since I have a fire alarm in the mail. Yay, it came, finally. I got some fire alarms for my birthday. I managed to convince my mom. December's my birthday month, yay. And yeah, this is one of the alarms I've been wanting to get. The other one was supposed to come on the 7th. Today's the 9th when I'm recording, but like it didn't come in the mail, so that's rather unfortunate. But it's COVID, so I'm just gonna open it up. Got my trusty thing, cutter thing. This thing is filled with tape, though. I'm just gonna probably double it. I don't even know where I should open this from yet. I think there's like a little indentation. Let me see. I'm not trying to hit my hand, honestly. Or that would not be fun. There we go. I knew I was doing it the right way. And I broke the blade. Wonderful. But we won't tell that to anyone. Just threw it on the ground. Okay. Get out. Alright, this thing is not gonna get out. Okay, there we go. Alright, here it is. Siemens UMHU MCSW Hornstroke sync and non-sync. Brand new in box. This is actually really fun. I mean, really cool. It's completely brand new. Never was used. Was never used. Okay. Here it is. Instructions, and here's the device itself. Wow, that actually looks really nice in the white. I prefer the white. There's Candela selector is gone. It's really crappy anyways, that Candela selector on these devices. And I got myself a jumper in there, and the model number is Siemens UMHU MCSW, there we go. These are your horn and strobe positives. These are jumpers actually connecting the horn and strobe, so this is technically a 2-wire device. And I have no idea if there's a volume selector on this. This is what I was a bit worried about. I don't want to bleed my ears. I think this is my continuous jumper because it's right next to the horn. This is the placement. This is like in some really crappy placement, just like those friggin' ZNSs, like when you have to like bend over there. It's really annoying. But wow, look at that. Looks like a really nice device, brand new in box. And since it's brand new, I got... Oh, I have to do it manually? Okay. Okay, that's weird. But get a little sticker thing, and no, I'm gonna open this, but it has a sticker thing. It has your little pop thing that you put in the Candela window. You got your mounting screws. The black one is your mounting bracket screw. Here's my instruction manual. I'm trying to keep this short because this is actually going to be the part 2. I mean, I'm gonna put the videos together essentially. And yeah, instruction manual. So look at this later. But yeah, here it is. It's like, looks like it's kind of like a wheel-lock AS in a sense, for the mounting brackets are similar, and I'm gonna test this out as soon as I get as soon as I shut the video. So thank you guys for watching this part of the video, and I'll let you know. Basically, the next device I'll be getting is a smoke detector, my first smoke detector, and that should be coming tomorrow or even today. Actually, it's probably not coming today, but yeah, thank you. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like. Thank you guys for watching this part of the video, and I'll see you back when I get my smoke detector. Alright guys, since today is part 2 for the unboxing. Today's December 12th, and I nearly forgot to rip out my address, and here's my new smoke detector. This thing was coming from Arizona, and it's supposed to come on December 7th because I ordered my UMH2 and the smoke detector on that day. On December 1st, yeah. And by December 7th, this thing came from Arizona once again. On the 7th, it was in New Mexico. It's just really confusing. And then it got to a different area near my state, and then it didn't even come there, even though it's like not even that far away. And then it went to another state that was near me, 2 hours away, and then it came today, which is amazing. So this thing is 5 days late. Let's just see. I just opened the box. I can see why it's delayed because of COVID, but then dang. It reminds me of how, like, what happened when I got my weatherproof Commander. Alright. Didn't break the blade this time. And that thing. And yep. System Sensor 400 series detector. Yep, I got a System Sensor 2400. I'm really excited. This is my first smoke detector. I was actually thinking about getting an i3 or a 2151, but they were pretty pricey on eBay. And I found this thing for $19, and that's a new in box, and that's a great price. So yeah, over here you can just see all the modeling and like whatever the things are, and like your, you know what I mean? Okay. Like what everything is here, and like basically it's modeling and it's voltage, it's how if it's 2-wire, and it's ionization, or it's photoelectric, and if it has the heat detector sensor, like those. So you can open it from here. It shows you that 12 volts DC can do that. Yeah, blah blah blah. Just open it up from the top. Ooh. And here it is. Dust cover 2400. Okay. Here's my terminals. My mounting bracket. This thing is cold. This looks amazing though. Looks hella cool. Let's put that there. What's in here? Instruction manual, and there are no screws. Like, whatever. It's new in box. At least it came with something. Yeah. I wonder when this thing was made. I got no idea. But dust cover so it doesn't get any dust in it in the smoke chamber. So yeah. And this is the whole thing itself. This is a photoelectric smoke detector. As you can see, smoke and automate photoelectric, meaning I think like a lot of smoke particles, if they go into the smoke chamber, it's gonna activate. And I believe photoelectric is better than ionization. So here's your LED, and let me get my little screwdriver. And right here is your test button. You didn't hear that pop. Yep. I don't know what that is. And then here's some pins over here for something. Got no idea what that is. I think I need a smaller test button for that. So yeah, let me try putting this back on the base. I don't know how to do this. This is so weird. I'll probably just cut this out until I get it on. Oh, wow. Okay, it's on the base. I didn't even need to cut this out. It's your LED. It's bigger than I expected, honestly. I mean, it's smaller than I expected, in a sense. So yeah, there's the 2400. Thank you guys for watching these two videos.